Good morning, students. This is Ms. Hernandez, and today I'm going to read you a book about an insect that is really cute. It is usually red with black spots. Can you figure out which insect I'm talking about? It is the ladybug. So let's find out a little bit more about these amazing insects. Ladybugs, Red, Fiery, and Bright by Mia Posada. Little round beetles with red coats and black spots crawl through gardens and trees and on flowers in pots. They are ladybugs. How cute. So they love to be in the gardens and on the pots and everywhere outside. A crawling ladybug tickles your arm, but this little insect will cause you no harm. So they are nice little insects. They will not hurt you. They do not bite. They are busy searching for food to eat. Tiny green insects called aphids taste sweet. So those little bugs right there, little green insects, those are called aphids, and the ladybugs love to eat them. A ladybug may flee in fear from a hungry bird landing near. So when the ladybug sees a dangerous animal like the bird who might want to eat it, it might fly away. But eating a ladybug is a waste. To birds, they have a terrible taste. So when a bird eats it, it won't like it. Ladybugs taste very nasty, it says here. So that's good. Maybe it will spit it out. When a female ladybug has eggs to be laid, she finds a safe place on a leaf in the shade. So here she finds a nice safe area, safe leaf, and she lays her eggs there. In 5 days, the yellow eggs will turn white. The hatching day is now within sight. So right now, or when she puts them, they are yellow. When she lays the eggs, they are yellow, but then they will turn white. And that means it's almost time for them to hatch. Tiny creatures climb out from the creamy white eggs. They have hairy gray bodies and long skinny legs. They are called larvae. So one is a larva. There's lots of them, so they are larvae. Hungry larvae search for food right away. They can eat 100 aphids a day. So when they are born, they are very hungry and they start eating those little aphids. A larva's skin cannot stretch, and since this is so, it must shed its old skin in order to grow. So when he's getting bigger, he has to get rid of his old skin, and he has new, nice, pretty skin and bigger skin. Its skin splits apart. The larva wiggles free. Its new, larger skin fits more comfortably. So now he's bigger and he feels better out of that smaller skin. When a ladybug larva is almost full grown, it attaches itself to a plant or a stone. It molts one last time the skin it outgrew. When it emerges, it has become something new. And this here, it is a pupa. Do you remember who else turns into a pupa? The butterfly did, remember? So the ladybug does something similar. It's kind of the same thing. They are going to stay there for a while and change. So remember, first they look like that, then they will attach themselves and become a pupa. The pupa is covered by tough orange skin, so this helps to protect it. It hides the changes taking place within. Its worm-like body is rounding out. its coat becomes smooth and tiny wings sprout. In 5 days, the pupa's shell starts to crack. A beetle crawls out with no spots on its back. So that's when the ladybug first comes out. It's yellow and no spots. Soon, black spots come into sight. The yellow coat turns to red, fiery and bright. So it doesn't take long for it to become the ladybug that we know, red with black spots. The new ladybug spreads its wings out to dry. A few hours pass, then it's able to fly. So it comes out a little bit wet, and then just once it dries, it'll be able to fly. Its spotted wing covers move off to the sides. It beats its wings, and away it glides. So these here, these are called elytra. It's elytra. And they are just the wing covers. They protect the wings. The wings are the white ones that come out from underneath. The new ladybugs with red coats and black spots crawl through gardens and trees and on flowers in pots. So look at the new ladybugs, just like in the beginning of the story. They are again in the garden, around the flowers, and around the pots.